Uh, my dear students, good evening. Already I have given some questions from this exercise on YouTube previously. The question which I am going to do, this is from NCERT book for class 10 and exercise 8.1. The name of the chapter is Introduction to Trigonometry. There are two trigonometric chapters in class 10. One is Application of Trigonometry and other is Introduction to Trigonometry. Here what happens? Identities you have to apply to solve the questions. In this question number 7 I have selected because it is important and you will gain some knowledge also from here. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, find the values of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And another sub question is cot square theta. Here first of all, cot theta is equal to 7 by 8 is given, but cot theta is equal to, you know that cot theta is equal to B by P. Therefore, B by P is equal to, you can write 7 by 8. Let B is equal to 7K and P is equal to 8K. K is some constant. Instead of K you may take M also. You may take some other alphabet. Some of the students are doing what? Instead of writing K, simply they are writing B is equal to 7, P is equal to 8. It will be wrong because it is the ratio. Instead of B by P is equal to, it may be written 14 by 16 also. So this is only the ratio. Whenever you are getting the ratio, there you must have to suppose some constant. You might be knowing Pythagoras theorem. In triangle chapter it is given. And triangle chapter already it was dealt in the classroom. Especially for modern English high school, I am telling you. Here two things are given. Perpendicular is given, base is given also, but hypotenuse you have to find out. You draw a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means one angle should be 90 degree. And the side opposite to 90 degree, it is called hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is not mentioned. You take this angle theta. You may take this angle also. The vertical angle also you can take theta, but it will be easier for you if you are taking theta here. Opposite to theta, theta is some angle. In the previous cases we have taken A, B, C like that. Here I am taking theta. Opposite to theta, the side opposite to theta will be called perpendicular. Here perpendicular is 8K and adjacent side is called base. Here base is equal to 7K. This is base, this is perpendicular. Then what is not mentioned here? What you have to find out? You have to find out hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equal to, you know that h square is equal to, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Here perpendicular is 8K, so 8K square and base square is 7K whole square. 8 8 is 64 K square, 7 7 is 49 K square. You add these two, you are getting 113 you are getting. k square. Now, instead of h, what you have to find? Instead of h, you are getting the root of 113 k square. So, you are getting 113 k. Now, you are doing perpendicular, base, hypotenuse, all these things. Here, what will be required? Sin theta will be required, cos theta will be required, cot theta will be required. Cot theta is already given itself. Only you have to do the square, you will get the value. Here, what we are doing, first of all, we are getting sin theta. Because sin theta will be required. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular here? Perpendicular is equal to 8k. Hypotenuse is equal to root under 113 and k will be out of the radical symbol. K will be cancelled. You are getting 8 by root 113. Cos theta. Why cos theta? Because cos theta will be required. Here you see cos theta. Cos theta is equal to, you are getting base by hypotenuse. Instead of base, what we are supposed to write? 7k. And h 113 k. So you are getting 7 by root 113. Now you know the value of sin theta, cos theta. So sin theta, cos theta you put here in this question, you will get the answer. Here 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now you put the value. 1 plus, instead of sin theta we got the value 8 by root under 113. 1 minus 8 by root 113. Again, in the denominator you have to write 1 plus 7 by, because cos theta is equal to 7 by root 113. Again 1 minus 7 by root 113. Now there is no space, so I am going to rub it. You come here. You see a plus b and a minus b. One formula you know, a plus b, a minus b. That is a square minus b square. So you can write here 1 square minus 8 by root under 113 square, 113 root square. And here you are getting 1 square, a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. Whole square. You see here what you are getting, 1 square 1, 8 square 64, and a square of root under 113 means what? 113 only, root will go. 1 square 1 minus 7 square 49 you are getting. 113 you are getting. Now you see here LCM of, here you see nothing means what? 1 is there, no? So 1 and 113 LCM will be 113. Divide 113 by 1, you are getting 113, and that into 1, 113. minus 64. Again 113. Similarly, so 113 minus 49 you are getting. Here what you are getting then? You subtract 13 minus 4, you are getting 9. 10 minus 6, 4. And 113 to cancel. And here you are getting what? 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9. 10 minus 4, 6. So you are getting 49 by 64. 49 by 64 you got. Again you see one more question is there. That question is second question, that is question number, sub question number. Cot square theta. Cot square theta is equal to, you can write cot theta and that whole square. That means cot theta, what was the value of cot theta? Cot theta's value already it was given 7 by 8. So a square, you are getting 7 7 ja 49 and 8 8 ja 64. 7 7 ja 49, 8 8 ja 64. Like that you got the values of cot square theta also and the value of the first sub question. My dear students, many things I have to teach. It is very impossible to teach each and every question. But one preference will be given, that you do the exercise at home and you collect the questions which you cannot do. And then you send the question on my WhatsApp number and I'll try to fulfill your requirement. And be fast. You don't wait for the school, that is school will be done, then only the syllabus will start. Thank you.